Let's finish our amortization schedule for 360 payments or for 30 years. At the end of video 5, you should have created this little formula here for the ending balance to become the beginning balance of the next period. Let's review that. If you haven't done that, equal sign, and then just simply click on the ending balance of the previous payment period. Now we can get ready to copy all of these formulas down 360 times. Before we do that, let's do a quick review to make sure that when we do copy these, it'll behave the way that we want it to. And so for this particular one here, we do not need an absolute reference. It can be relative because every time we want it to go up to this location in the previous balance and to repeat that every time. The monthly payment amount is an absolute reference. We always want these cells to reflect this amount here in B7, the actual monthly payment that we calculated back in video 2, I believe. The interest amount, part of this is going to be an absolute reference because we have to make sure that the interest rate is always based on this 4% annual rate divided by 12. The rest of it can be a relative reference, this D10, because we always want it to go to the beginning balance to calculate the interest for that particular payment period. The amount going to principal can remain a relative reference because we always want it to go 2 cells to the left and then subtract 1 cell to the right. And then the ending balance, once again, that can be a relative reference because we want it to go back here 4 cells to the left to the beginning balance and subtract this 3rd cell to the right, G10, to give us our ending balance. So we should be okay. Let's go ahead and just take it down to 10 periods and make sure this is looking like we want it to. So I'll drag that one down and fill that. I'll take this one and the interest amount. And the ending balance, and that should complete the schedule once we complete that. And let's see if it makes sense. We have a decreasing beginning balance. That makes sense. The payment amount is staying the same. The interest amount should be decreasing each payment period by a small amount. It is decreasing a little bit each payment period. The principal payment should be increasing each payment period. More of the payment is going to actually paying off the loan. And then, of course, the ending balance, the amount we owe, should be decreasing after each payment is made. And indeed it is. So it looks like it's working okay. So to complete this video, what you will do is go ahead and copy your formulas all the way down to the 360th payment, which I believe takes you out there somewhere in 2049. And once you do that, have me come by and we'll take a look and see if our balances look the same. And remember, make sure you're at $250,000, 4% for 30 years, and our schedules should be in agreement. And that will conclude Home Loan Workbook video number 6. And as always, be sure to save.